Good morning. Been waiting on some beams. They have arrived, so that's perfect. So it's for the cantilever deck. So I have to fasten this hanger here. Just like flush with the edge, flush with the bottom, right there. Just like that. So this is the other beam. This one will go on that side. This one will go on this side. So that one goes flies, hangers to the inside. This one will spin, hanger will be to the inside. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw a stick on here. This will lift it. And then so that's just to help me tip it back straight so it's sitting the right way for the crane. And then here is just a block. I'm assuming there'll be chains being used, and I don't want the chains to slide in. So I put a little block here so that the chains won't slide in, and I can get the chains back out after I've set this on the wall. Okay, I'll roll this up a minute so that it's ready to go. Perfect. Okay, so I got all the beams cut to length so far. So we'll lay this beam out for truss joists. They're 1 foot centers. Okay, that's where the hangers go. And the hangers are, the joists are 11 1/4, so I got to snap a line down 11 1/4. Okay, so that's all the hangers on. I'll have to tip it up now, so it's ready to fly. So I went and laid out the wall, which was completely unnecessary because I got to lay out the top of this beam. That's necessary. So that is currently happening. So now I have to build a little stub wall to receive the tongues of these trusses. So now I actually got to measure to my first mark. So the stub wall will start here. I'm going to go 6 1/4, and that's where I'll put 2 studs. So then the tongue will be sitting on top of 2 studs. So 6 1/4 and away, and now it's 19.2 from there. In other words, the black diamond on the measuring tape. Okay, so I put that stub wall in. I have furred that beam up to the same height as the stub wall. Now I put this truss on, and I'm going to create a there's a beam that comes across here, so I'm just going to cut 2 point loads for that, and I'll install those, and then I'll put a piece in here, and that'll allow me to put the beam in. Okay, so this is the point load. I'm carrying a piece of 1 3/4 LVL up here, and so all I've done is I've ripped the 2x4 in half, so it'll be a little bit shy by 1/16. Okay, and so the beam will fit between the tongue and the top of these 2x4s I just nailed. And now I'm going to find this next truss. Okay, so it turns out that I didn't get hangers, so I'm waiting on hangers now. So I'll move, I can set 4 trusses here. So I'll go get those a sec. So now I'll lean this up. I'll do that for all 3 of these. Okay, so they're up. And they're fastened on this side. I'll fasten that side. Okay, good news is I have hangers. A little bit of fabricating required. This is designed to apply a certain way. I'll have to make it apply differently. So I'm going to go work on getting this guy in position. Okay, so I just got this in place. Went pretty good. Okay, nail that. This. Okay, now I'll go fasten it over there, and then I can fill this in. Okay, so I have to lay this out. So I have to lay out that beam. So this is 3 foot 1/2 inch in between here. 3 foot 1/2 inch. That's to the outside of that truss. So if I go outside to outside, I am 8 1/4. Okay. Okay, so 8 1/4 outside to outside. This guy goes here. Now, actually I'll just move it too far. Put a 2-inch in and lay it out. So now that is 19.2. So again, your black diamond, and the X is forward. Okay, so now I have to put a beam in here and then lay it out and fill in this here area. So we'll cut the beam in a minute. It's going to be 3 foot, 1/2 inch. Okay, so the hanger on the other side here, right there. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, some schmerz. Trying to avoid squeaks wherever we can. Squeaks are uncool. Somewhere there's a beam. Where is it? So the idea was for this truss to be on here, but the engineer asked for this beam, so I had to put this beam in here. I'm not sure why, but so it's there. And now I have to build this up to receive the tongue like this here. I need to bring this up to where this is 3 inches down and bring this up to that. Okay, so I'll put this piece on to fur it up. Okay. Good. Now it has to be laid out. I'm gonna kind of guesstimate here. I'll get a good number. Okay, from this side to this side of the truss is 10 1/4. 10 1/4. 19.2 black diamond. Okay, so 2 showers, 2 bits of hail, little bits of hail in them, and now I will go and put my 2 remaining floor trusses in. Really rained. Not cool. Okay, wait, where's my pouch? That's 1. And this guy. Did I not lay this out? Guess not. Man, this is now almost in the way of the... Okay, I'm not going to talk about it. Okay, it's this line and back. Looks like I put my little studs on the wrong side of the line here. That side. I am going to have to level up this stud wall to make sure this whole wall is nice and straight. Looks perfect on this side though. So these are essentially squash blocks. It creates a solid connection down to this wall, and then it'll just continue down. Yeah.
Better get that roof on, it's gonna rain.
I think I was. Okay, put the strong back on here. Let's plumb this up. Perfect. Okay, let's nail that. Okay, so now we'll get this smidgen further. Okay. Yeah. Okay, pull this out. Perfect. So putting in these blocks. Okay, last block. Okay, so we are now ready to sheet. Everything's wet, so I'm not going to start gluing in this wet. I am, however, going to carry all the sheets to there, and I will start that way. So this will be fun. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.